It is important to understand how our coastlines might change, so we can protect vulnerable areas or adapt and prepare for changes. Sea level rise is the biggest threat facing coastal communities, and it is important for coastal planners to know how our coast will respond to the rising sea levels, so we can prepare for the predicted changes. A widely used method to predict where the coastline will retreat to due to the sea level rise is the Brunn Rule, named after the Danish coastal engineer Brunn, who developed it in the 1960s. The Brunn Rule is based on a theory that beaches will shift upwards and towards land in order to keep up with sea level rise. The Brunn Rule is widely used because it is easy to apply, as the coastal retreat only depends on the amount of sea level rise, the height of the dunes, and the shape of the seabeds. But this formula isn't perfect. The Brunn Rule assumes that there's an unlimited supply of sand and space where the beach can roll landwards. In reality, there's a limited amount of sand and cliffs, seawalls and development impact on how a coastline will roll back. In recent years, more complex modelling tools have been developed to better predict how beaches and dunes might look in the future. These models consider more information, such as the impact of storms, the role of wind in moving sand, how deep the sand is, and how sediments move about on the coastline. We will probably never be able to perfectly predict the future of our coastline, but these modelling tools allow us to make better informed decisions on how to manage our coast now, so they remain more sustainable in the future.